My name is Joan Haas, and originally I'm from Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. We have known for quite a while that we needed to have our bathroom remodeled, and so we started about, I'd say 8 months ago, to interview contractors, and we came across HomeTech through Angie's List, and it had been a little bit of a process. We had gone on vacation, and when we came back, we talked to HomeTech. I think it's just, in a way, it's a gut decision. So the price was comparable, maybe a little bit less than another contractor, but when it comes down to it, it's about who you trust. And so we talked to a representative named Moses, and we felt that we could trust the company. I mean, that bottom line is what really finalized it for us. Our overall experience was excellent. We had a little glitch where we didn't realize that the pipes underneath the house had to be replaced, but they took pictures and it was obvious that these old pipes from 1938 had to be replaced. That was a little nerve-wracking for us, but we expected something like that. But from the beginning of the project, and there was 3 days of demolition, they kept us informed every inch of the way. We had a designer that we could go out and choose some tile, and that kind of thing wasn't offered by every company. Every single person who was assigned to this project was really, to me, in my mind, expert in their field. And we can say that because I think my husband and I are very much interested in excellence, and we know from doing our own projects what it takes to have something look nice. Honestly, from the bottom of my heart, recommend HomeTech for any project that you would have at home.